And special thanks to our friends over at Dream Pairs who were nice enough to send us these high plat black knee-high shoes. Little look around the box, and inside, little Dream Pairs pamphlet. And then we have the shoes. Oh, wow. So these have a little zipper here to help get them on. Nice heel in the back, nice grip. Love the soft, like, velour feeling that these have. These don't have any tie or anything in the back. They should be very easy for walking in. Would look great with a dress. And take out the other shoe. These are very nice. Look at that. All right. Well, I'm going to have my wife put on some kind of outfit to model these for you. Let me have her show you exactly what these look like right here. And so these are the thigh highs. As you can see, they come all the way up to the thighs. Super, super nice heel with the zipper. These look phenomenal right here. I am truly in love with you even more in those shoes. Thanks again to Dream Pairs, who was nice enough to send these to me. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Deuces.